Every year, millions of Muslims from around the world travel to perform Hajj, one of the largest religious gatherings on earth. But despite its global importance, there are many fascinating facts about Hajj that most people have never heard about. From incredible historical traditions to surprising modern day logistics. These facts will give you a whole new appreciation for this remarkable journey. So, today we are counting down the top 10 facts about Hajj most people don't know. Let's begin. On number 10, every year millions of pilgrims travel to Makkah to perform Hajj. People come from more than 180 countries, making it one of the most diverse gatherings anywhere on earth. For a few days, people of different languages, cultures, and backgrounds worship together in the same place. On number 9, many people think Hajj began with Islam, but according to Islamic tradition, the origin of Hajj go back to thousands of years to Prophet Ibrahim and his family. Muslims believe many of the rituals performed during Hajj are connected to events in the lives of Ibrahim, Hajra, and Ismail. On number 8, during Hajj, male pilgrims wear two simple white pieces of cloth known as ihram. This removes visible sign of wealth, status, nationality, or profession. Whether someone is a billionaire or a laborer, everyone appears equal before God. On number 7, many people don't know that throughout history it has been damaged by floods, natural disasters, and conflicts, leading to several reconstructions while preserving its religious significance. On number 6, one of the rituals of Hajj involves walking between the hills of Safa and Marwa. This commemorates Hajra's search for water for her son Ismail. Today, pilgrims perform this ritual inside a large air conditioned complex. On number 5, during Hajj, the area of Mina becomes a massive tent city. Hundreds of thousands of air conditioned tents are set up to accommodate pilgrims. For a few days, it becomes one of the largest temporary cities in the world. On number 4, near the Kaaba is the famous Zamzam well. According to Islamic tradition, this well first appeared for Ismail as a miracle. Millions of pilgrims drink Zamzam water every year, and the well continues to supply water after centuries. On number 3, many people assume Muslims perform Hajj repeatedly. In reality, Islam requires Hajj only once for those who are physically and financially able. Any additional Hajj journeys are voluntarily. On number 2, today's Hajj uses advanced technology, including high speed transportation, crowd management systems, mobile apps, surveillance, and safety monitoring. These systems help organize one of the largest annual gatherings in the world. On number 1, the most important fact is that Hajj is one of the five pillars of Islam. For Muslims who are physically and financially able, performing Hajj is a major act of worship and a lifelong spiritual goal. It represents faith, sacrifice, unity, and devotion. Those were the top 10 facts about Hajj most people don't know. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating facts and educational content. Thanks for watching and